today we're gonna make some homemade tortillas. I bought this dough already made, all right, so I don't have to worry about it, but I'm gonna show you guys a little process, all right? And this is the old school way. You get one of these. I forgot the name of it, to be honest with you. I'm not gonna lie to you. These thingy thingies, all right? That's what I call them. Some wax paper or perch paper, whatever you want to add in there, so the actual dough won't stick. And then we're gonna open this. Keeping an eye on the ones that we just put in there right now. So this much, not too much. If you guys can see it, it's like a little bit. Put it right in the center. And I'm using a Ziploc bag, right? So that's what I have. I just cut it in half and then push it once. That's it. No more, because I don't want, if you thin it out, it's gonna be hard to take out. So look at that, beautiful. This is ready to go. So we're gonna wait for the next load and then put this one in there. This one came out really good. Let's keep making them. We're making a bunch of them, so I'm enjoying them actually. This is very good when therapeutic, when you're actually, you know, just, this is a smaller one if you guys can see that, so it's not that bad. It's very relaxing when you're making this, especially if you teach your kids how to do this, because unfortunately, these kids today prefer other systems, Nintendo, and other things, instead of you learn how to make some like this. So back in the days, my mom used to make them fresh. My grandma too. Everything was fresh out of the actual handmade. Now these days, semi-fresh, because I end up buying the dough, but this you can put in the fridge. It's gonna last for a couple of days. Freshly made tortillas all the time, ready to go. So right now we're doing the tortillas, going to mix it up, and I'm going to show you guys a little play on mix putting together, but very simple. It's heating up perfectly. If you guys can see that, this is my last one I made right now. So this one's almost done. All right, we're going to keep flipping it, but this is the last one I just did right now. Came out being beautiful. So I have it low right now, and you can smell it. It's not cooked on the other side, so let me flip this one this way. That's gonna cook better like that. I'm gonna show you the final results right now. All right, one thing you gotta make sure that, don't make them too thick. Always cook them all, even it out. I wish I had a bigger tomal, but today we have this one. This one's done already. Mm-mm-mm.